The Community Health Center is looking for a variety of positions from top to bottom. We have some open positions in the dental department. We also have a physician position open. We also are recruiting for a lot of medical support staff, care management staff, and nurses.
During the 2 years that I've been here, I feel like I've had a pretty diverse patient experience and really had a rewarding experience getting to know people in the community and feel like I'm part of the medical community and part of the greater community. And then as far as my outside of work experience, I've really enjoyed. I have 4 kids and we love getting out into nature, enjoying all the beauty that this area has to offer.
I've been managing here for 8 years. I've been with the organization for almost 15. I've learned a lot, I've grown a lot. I love working here. Seeing all the services we offer for the community is pretty outstanding.
I've been working at the Northwest CHC for going on 18 years now. One of my favorite things about working at the clinic is making sure our patients are taken care of, and it's great that we get to do it with our work family.